So I was watching a recent video from one of my favorite YouTubers that I watch, and shout out to Saint Center. But he brought up a good point that's really need to be talked about in society, right? And it's been normalized to the point to where people don't even think about it like that anymore until shit hits the fan. So before we get into it, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like the video, and consider supporting the channel or donating to the channel. What you got, all the ways you can support the channel are in the description below. So in today's society, right, since we're in a feministic society, there's no sense of gender roles. There's no sense of men do this, women do that. There's no sense of it, right? Since we live in a feminist society and the women want to be men, now the women are in men jobs now. Now, what are you talking about? Women are in male-dominated jobs, right? Now I'm going to break down something else as well, right? You got women in the police force. You got women construction workers. You got women that are security. Women that are in these in the military, right? Women are in these male-dominated spaces, right? And more women are joining these male-dominated spaces, right? Now, people talk about men and women working together, right? Why would a woman, a feminine woman, want to join the military, be a security, be a police officer? Those positions threaten her life on a daily basis, right? Women are about self-preservation and about living long lives subconsciously. Why the hell would they join those three male-dominated spaces? Now, they're not joining them in groves, right? But there's about 5 to 10% of the women that want to go into those jobs, right? And this is what happens when women join these male-dominated spaces. You have these scandals that happen out in Tennessee where the policemen are having sex with this woman. There is one woman that's working with the police force. You see it in the military, right? You guys that are seeing this on a daily basis, you comment below your thoughts and what you've seen about this, right? So you have women joining these different jobs, right? And let's be honest, this is extremely dangerous, not only to them, but to our society. So when you get in trouble and you have to call 911, you want the SWAT team to show up. Whenever you want the military to go overseas, whenever you get into a problem or altercation in an environment where security is present, you want the security, you want the police, you want the military to be men like in 300. You want to see a man that is 6'2", 225 pounds come and rescue and save the day, right? Or you want to see a guy that is strong, that can handle his own, come and diffuse the situation, right? But you have women that are in these jobs. So when you call 911, a policeman, man, you call and get security, there's a threat that a woman might come in and try to diffuse the situation, right? Now, how is this harmful to society? Do you really think? So if two men are fighting, if two men are having a shootout, is a 5'3" or let's just give her an extra 2 inches or 3 inches. Let's say she's 5'6", 150 pounds. You think she's going to get in front of two guys that are together 300 to 400 pounds? She's not going to be able to diffuse that situation the best way. She's going to have to pull out a gun. She's going to have to pull out an arm, a firearm, to diffuse the situation, right? Meanwhile, if a guy comes up, he'll be like, hey, y'all stop. And those two men will stop. They see a guy that's in a uniform that is trained to support and secure the area, they're more likely to stop. And worst comes to worst, the cop, the security can pull the other guy off of him to stop any further damage from going forward, right? This is the danger of feminism. You have women in protector jobs. And women are not by nature protectors. Technically, the only women that can fight and secure anything are the women in MMA. The women that look like that woman that worked at Best Buy and she tackled that guy. She was what, 5'10", 5'8", 5'9", 200 and some pounds. Those are the only women that need to be doing protector roles, right? If they don't fit that criteria, they don't need to be working those jobs. But see, we're such feminized society. We have a 5'3" woman coming to the rescue. This is the danger of our society, right? So check this out. Feminized men are they're weak men. And weak men throughout human history have been conquered and taken over relatively easy by men of different cultures that promote strong men. So I want you guys to answer this question for me. We live in a feminist society. The men are not promoted to be strong, promoted to be weak. Do we stand a good chance of defending our country, defending our culture, if another rival culture comes in and promotes strong masculinity? What's the likelihood of we winning that war? We're not going to win that war. This is where we're headed now, and nobody wants to talk about it. Nobody sees this. You guys comment below your thoughts. I'm anxious to see what you guys think about this. You guys go and like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like the video. We're out.